Good morning, my dear children of Prospect Girls College. Children, today let's continue the lesson, The Fun They Had. See from the sixth paragraph, look at the screen. Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. In the previous paragraphs, we have learned that Margie has hated the school. He said, Tommy, why would anyone write about the school? कोई भी स्कूल के बारे में क्यों लिखता है? Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. Superior eyes means because Tommy is elder than Margie, so he looked at her with a superiority. जैसा कि वो ज़्यादा समझदार हो इस तरह उसको देखता है. Because it is not our kind of school. And then Tommy said, इसलिए लिखते हैं क्योंकि वह हमारे स्कूल जैसा नहीं है. Stupid. Addressing Margie as a stupid, Tommy said, this school is not likewise our schools. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. Now Tommy also said that it is a old kind of school. About the school, hundreds and hundreds years of ago. He added loftily, pronouncing the words carefully centuries ago. Here the Tommy clearly pronouncing the words hundreds and hundreds of years ago as centuries ago. Means कई शताब्दियों पहले के स्कूल के बारे में इसमें लिखा गया है. Margie was hurt. Margie was shocked. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. Margie said that I have no idea about this ancient school. She read the book over his shoulders as a while. For a short moment, she read the old book and said, anyway, they had a teacher. They had a teacher. कुछ भी हो उनके पास टीचर थे. Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. Tommy क्या कहता है? Sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a robotic teacher or computer teacher. It was a human teacher. A man. How could a man be a teacher? Now, Margie say with surprisingly manner, a man? How could a man be a teacher? एक आदमी टीचर कैसे हो सकता है? Because Margie always read with the computer. He not so the human teacher. Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homeworks and asked them questions. He just told the boys and girls things. हाँ, ह्यूमन टीचर होते थे. वे बच्चों को पढ़ाते थे और होमवर्क देते थे. एंड आस्क देम क्वेश्चंस एंड दे आस्क क्वेश्चंस आल्सो फ्रॉम द स्टूडेंट्स. A man is not smart enough. Here Margie again said, a man is not smart enough like a computer teacher. कह रही है कि आदमी इतने स्मार्ट कैसे हो सकते हैं. Sure he is. टॉमी क्या कहता है? Sure he is smart teacher because my father knows as much as my teacher. क्योंकि मेरे पिता उतना ही जानते हैं जितना कि एक टीचर जानता है. So a human teacher may be smart enough. He knows almost as much. वह सब कुछ जानते हैं. I betcha. Betcha means I bet you. मैं तुमसे शर्त लगा सकता हूँ कि एक ह्यूमन टीचर बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट होता है. Margie was not prepared to dispute that. Dispute means quarrel. Margie does not want to quarrel with Tommy. She said, I would not want a strange man in my house to teach me. He said that I did not like a strange man come to my house and teach me. Tommy screamed with laughter. Tommy laughed loudly. You do not know much, Margie. Margie, you do not know enough. You have no information about old teachers. The teacher did not live in the house. Those teachers did not live in the house. वे घर में नहीं रहते थे, घर में नहीं आते थे पढ़ाने के लिए. दे हैड अ स्पेशल बिल्डिंग एंड ऑल द किड्स वेंट देयर. उनके पास क्या होती थी? स्पेशल बिल्डिंग्स लाइक स्कूल्स. as you go to school and read there, play there, such as in ancient time Tommy said to the Margie, in ancient time they had a special building, they had a special school, and all the kids went there, and all students went there to teach, went there to learn, and all the kids learned the same things, and all the students in the classroom learn the same things. Sure, if they were the same age, if they were the same age, यदि वो एक ही एज के होते थे तो एक ही जैसी चीज़ें पढ़ते थे, एक ही चैप्टर पढ़ते थे, एक ही मैटर पढ़ते थे. बट माई मदर सेज अ टीचर हैज़ टू बी एडजस्टेड टू फिट द माइंड ऑफ ईच बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल इट टीचेस. लेकिन मेरी माँ तो कहती है कि टीचर हर बच्चे के माइंड को अलग अलग सेट करता है, एंड दैट ईच किड हैज़ टू बी टॉट डिफरेंटली, और हर बच्चे को अलग अलग पढ़ाया जाता है. बिकॉज इन द कंप्यूटर थ्रू द as the IQ level of the different children, the computer teachers set the different level of the mind. Just the same, they did not do it that way then. If you don't like it, टॉमी कहता है जस्ट द सेम दे डिड नॉट डू इट दैट वे देन. उस समय ऐसा नहीं होता था. इफ़ यू डोंट लाइक इट यू डोंट हैव टू रीड द बुक. इफ़ यू डू नॉट लाइक दिस यू डोंट लाइक द बुक. यदि तुम नहीं चाहती हो तो इस बुक को मत पढ़ो. आई डिड नॉट से आई डिड नॉट लाइक इट, मार्गी सेड क्विकली. मार्गी सेड क्विकली, आई डिड नॉट से आई डिड नॉट लाइक इट, but I like it. She wanted to read about those funny schools. Margie in addressing the old school as a funny school, and he said, Tommy, I also want to read about these funny schools. They were not even half finished when Margie's mother called. They did not read half of the book. Margie's mother called him. Margie school. Margie looked up at not at mama. मार्गी की माँ बुलाती है मार्गी स्कूल, मीन्स स्कूल का टाइम हो गया आ जाओ. मार्गी लुक्ड अप नॉट एट ममा. मार्गी का जाने का मन नहीं, वो कह रही है नॉट एट ममा, अभी नहीं. नाउ सेड मिसेस जॉन. नाउ मिसेस जॉन सेड अगेन, एंड इट इज़ प्रोबेबली टाइम फॉर टॉमीज टू. एंड सी सेड आल्सो इट इज़ द टाइम फॉर टॉमीज स्कूल आल्सो. मार्गी सेड टू टॉमी, कैन आई रीड द बुक्स? Can I read the books some more with you after school? तो मार्गी पूछती है क्या मैं स्कूल के बाद इस बुक के बारे में और तुमसे पढ़ सकती हूँ. रिवाइज दिस लेसन फ्रॉम द till the 8th paragraph. This lesson will be continued in